Alright, this is the last recording of the GameCom before I put the cover back on. I was actually able to find where all the screws went and resoldered in the shortened up the leads for the contrast, reconnected the conventional batteries location on here. And you can see you can actually my camera to actually lock focus correctly. You actually see the screen pretty well, and you can see the contrast wheel works. Touchscreen works, which is a good sign. Yeah, so audio is pretty clear now when it's not rattling on top of the housing here. So I'm gonna box it up. You're gonna put the cover back on and box this up, and hopefully it'll work. Well, we'll see.